Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to insert line chart in MS Word. So very easily you can insert line chart in MS Word. So firstly need to click on insert tab. You see here this insert tab, so just click on it. Now here you see this option chart, just click on it. Now in this list you see here this all charts. So here select this line chart, select it, and here you can select the style like this or this. You can select as you like this one. So just select it and click on OK. You see here chart will be very easily insert, and here this open this Excel file. You can customize using this file or table. So this way you can very easily insert it. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.